Buenos dias, señores, señoritas. We're gonna show how to apply 5 pallets of solar panels on the roof in 1 week with your heads and legs and body and little bit of the brain. Sierra. Roof number 1, not far from Kinsale. 64 panels coming here. 11 o'clock already. This is Ironman for solar installers. And yes, we are in Ireland, so it's raining already, yeah? Raining, sunny, windy, raining, sunny. That's summer in Ireland. Here we go inside. I'm already preparing DC cables. And it's sunny again. Half of the roof is done, brackets done. Now we work on the second half. This is 5 minutes later. Oh, okay, don't go down, go up. Finish, rain, finish. Yes, this is another 5 minutes later, yeah. I think this man without a t-shirt is gonna enjoy the weather for about another 180 seconds. So basically, to walk on this roof you need to walk like this, because if you step on this you make a bend. And here is a DC system, so we're wiring 16 in series for Fronius 700 volt and 4 strings in 8 for Victron MPPT, PPPT, MITI, PT, MPPT, TT. Next day, optimum weather conditions. Optimal. Thank you for correcting my good enough English. Pallet of solar modules is here. Roof is there. Let's go. Now check this out. Filming, lifting the panel and going up the ladder in the rain. Trains your real strength, not the gym lifting. It keeps your dynamic stability. And this is all free. You can train free with me. Marek is not charging for the gym. I could charge you fortune to be in shape. Minus drop it. Plus. Minus there, minus. Minus on the ground, boy. You keep dreaming. It's about creating the future. By positive thinking, we created the sunshine. And if you connect many minds like this, not only 2, but millions, we can do whatever we want as humans. And here you go, 1 o'clock, we are done. Looks very nice. Now we go for another job. How you feel? You have power? Yes. Irish food, many calories, chicken wings. How we call this piece?
Ribs.
Ribs. We just fill up food to our bodies and we're gonna convert this to work. This is very good exercise for legs, stability, mental awareness. Motivation is key factor in this job. That was the time lapse, and here you go. That's where we are. Okay, clean the garbage, put the remaining panels inside. 10 past 8. I can smell this steak. Crazy Solar Installers Friday. Friday. What are we gonna do in Friday? It's 6 o'clock already. 13 panels in one string, 11 panels in another string, and then 5 and 6 for solar charge controller. Job done. Job done. I think we end up very nice. Roof is not perfect as usual, but we are. Check this out. Time for fish and chips, or chips and fish, whatever, some food. No lunch today. Here we are at the evening. To open this door you need to put your hand outside and open like this. This is special safety mechanism in case you don't know what you're doing and want to jump out of the car. This car is full of features. In good quality water. After something like this you don't need a shower. And we camping here tonight. West coast of Ireland. Amazing place. Welcome this beautiful morning. Look at this place. Okay, time for coffee, and then probably we'll place some more solar. We ate some Irish breakfast roll and we're ready to change this food to work. We're waiting for the ferry to Bear Island. You have only one chance to enter the ferry because he's gonna slide back. Here you go. And we are on the ferry. Here we are, this is the boat yard. Wstawaj do środka. Time is flying when you have a fun. Okay, we have brackets for 10 panels on this side and we have brackets for 10 panels on this side. Now we're pulling DC cable. Bring the end of the cable, man. We're gonna connect our brains to the universe. Nothing to say. You have something to say? But people stop watching this if you're not talking. People only watch because you're talking. Here we go, 6 o'clock. We finish. That's how it looks. Tin, 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 tin. Nice. Alec, where are you going?